My husband is cutting this bottle now to make a bucket. I'm going to wash some clothes. Yeah, while traveling, sometimes we prefer to become more to economize, like instead of giving the clothes to the laundry, to wash our clothes by ourselves. And we prefer travel around than staying at home if it's the matter of expenses, because there are so many things that we can do and practically use things and save money. So here today we are going to show some kind of tips how we can save money while traveling. Yeah, of course we can ask for a bucket, but if there is no bucket and if we save money for laundry, we will just wash it here with the soap or powder. While travel, it's very important to be a team. So my husband helps me with cooking and washing sometimes, because I also have some duties doing this and that, being busy. So we both can substitute each other in certain things, but of course everyone has his own responsibilities.